Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wilkes County in northwestern North Carolina, Yadkin County in northwestern North Carolina, until 4 p.m. At 2:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lone Hickory, or near Yadkinville, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gilkin, Yadkinville, Jonesville, Boonville, Rhonda, Windy Gap, and Nebo. Prepare immediately for damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on X. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Wilkes, and Yadkin.